Hi, I'm John, and I like to relax.
He really does. And I'm Tammy, and I like to explore.
She really does.
And I'm Austin, and I like to repeat.
He really does.
And together we are Relax, Explore, Repeat. We've come back to Ruby Beach today at low tide. The other day it was so rainy, misty that you could barely see anything. It's much clearer, much sunnier. So we're gonna go down and do some filming down there. Like I said the other day when we were here, we couldn't see any of this that's out here in front of us right now. Couldn't see those rocks from where we were. It's pretty dreary and drizzly and rainy, and we couldn't see that island out there with the lighthouse either. We should put some of our original video from the other day side by side in with this, just to see how much of a difference there is. It's incredible. Seems to be a very popular spot. Really glad we made the trip back. The tide was in the other day when we were here. We timed this visit so that the tide would be out, so we could walk around a little closer to the big rocks and stuff. Look at that rock. Still some rocks inside it. Kind of cool. You can make it. He's there, mountain climber. Oh, there's people way over on that one too. Yes. I do want to walk over there. Even though we have a much clearer view, it was actually really cool in the fog, but it's nice to be able to see some detail today, things we didn't see the other day when it was cloudy and rainy. Those are sea anemone. Those things with the little fingers. We walked south from Ruby Beach, and there's some caves in the sides of the bluffs or cliffs, whatever you want to call them. Don't know if they're very. That one doesn't look very deep right there. I don't know about this one. Nope, not very deep. So cool. Filming from deep inside the cave. Well, not deep inside, just inside. This one has a door on it. Probably a sea squatch lives in there next to the ocean. It's got to be a sea squatch.